Canton Road. We're on our way to Avenue of Stars. And this is part whatever of our Hong Kong vlog. And I would love for you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to turn on the bell so you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. And I hope you'll enjoy this vlog. Wow! Thanks, guys. In the MTR, there are no physical paper maps anymore. You can just download the MTR map or the MTR app over here and then know all the schedules of its departure and arrival in its destination. So here in Hong Kong, it's so easy to go to and fro in any location because of their vast train lines or train system. If you're coming from Central Station, ride the train going to 2 and 1, and then two stations away is the Tsim Sha Tsui station. That is where you're gonna walk for about 10 minutes going to the Avenue of Stars. Sarap po. Yummy. Pero ang ganda. Kaya nga, ang cute lang nilang tignan, but I am not craving for one. So, you're blocking my view. Nakakasaya. Ang sarap guys, so, gusto nyo.
Wow.
We're finally here, guys. After minutes of walking. After a tiresome walk.
Oh no.
Our energy is drained. This entire area over here. There's a Symphony of Lights show tonight at 7. Every night at 7 p.m. Very relaxed. Wow. This is the life, guys. Lobat na yung power box. Pag-charge na yung power box sa power box. 3 bars na nga naman kasi. Milk. Matcha latte. Hot latte. Na-charge ng power box yung power box. Wow! Actually, yung power bank na yan para sa kotse. Start up ng sasakyan ko sa akin. It's a wireless charger. Wireless power bank. Ang convenience na yun. Magnetic. Meron na siyang Type-C both sides. Tapos meron din pa. Wow! That is it for the Symphony of Lights. We are about to go to Temple Street Night Market. So come and join us. Pagod na ako, guys. Pangit nung ano. Mascara ko, Maybelline. We're on our way to... Ano yun? Temple Street Night Market. To buy some souvenirs and... Yeah, souvenirs, pasalubong, and have our dinner there as well. Yan yung karinderya nila, Nak. Yan o, yung maraming kumakain. Yan masarap. Kaya lang, hindi kami mahilig sa mga food. Hindi rin kami nagbu-buffet kasi lugi kami sa buffet. So, try na lang namin yung dessert. Yan o. Let's go.
Wow.
Hati na lang tayo na kung anong gusto mo. Wala siyang gusto. Wala siyang nagustuhan. Sorry, dessert store. And dahil sobra kaming lucky today, umuulan. Ayan o, favorite Thai. Yan. Baka yun yung sinasabi ni Ann Pink na mga masasarap dito. Thai food. So we're just so unfortunate today, guys. There is no night market today here. Wagsong Street pa lang to eh. Ah, thank you, thank you. Eh, malapit lang dito yung hotel namin. So, uuwi na lang kami. Yan na yung Temple Street, guys. We are buying some pasalubongs for you guys. Oh, magnets and mirrors para sa inyo, Pao, Krishna, Sunshine, Sis Mars. Oh. It's a rainy day in Temple Street Night Market. Ayan guys maaga nagsasara ang night market dito. If you think that the night market is open the entire night, no it isn't. Maaga nagsasara ang ano dito, parang mga 9 PM yata sila or baka 10 talaga, no, Nak? Kasi nagpa-pack up pa lang si ate. Oh, diba? May ganyan pa dito. For adults only. hotel. Our day ends right now. Maulan. Bye guys! See you on my next vlog. Like, share, and subscribe. Grabe guys, so naka 14,500 steps ako today. Yesterday, naka ako, 16,000 steps. 11 kilometers, grabe.